My name is Vaitarun from B section. My topic is about 3D paintings, techniques and application. Introducing introduction to 3D paintings. 3D paintings, also known as additive manufacture, is a process of creating three-dimensional objects for a digital life. The technology has revolved various industries by allowing rapid prototyping and customizing of products. The basic concepts involve layering materials to build up the final object, which can be made for a variety of materials such as plastic, metals and chemicals. Techniques of 3D painting. Fused deposition modeling (FDM) is one of the most common techniques where heated material in extruded layer by layer to create the object. Stereolithography (SL) use laser to solid liquid region and also layer by layer to product high detail objects. Selectively laser sintering (SLS) utilize a laser to fuse powered by materials together, enabling the creation of complex geometric application in healthcare. 3D printing has revolutionized the medical field by establishing the product of personalized medical devices such as implant and prosthetics. It has also been used to create models for surgical planning, allows for better visualization and preparation of complex procedures. Bioprinting, a specialized technique, is being explored for the fabrication living tissues and organs for transplantation. Application in automotive. Automotive manufacture utilize 3D printings for rapid prototyping of parts, reducing development time and costs. Customized of components and the ability to create complex design heated led to involves in vehicle design and performance. Additive, additive manufacturing is also used in production of spare parts, making it easy to maintain other vehicles. Future trend in 3D paintings. Continued developments in materials and technologies will be explain the capabilities of 3D paintings. Enabling the production of laser more complex objects. Integration of artificial intelligence and mechanic learning will optimize the design process and improve painting effectiveness. The adoption of 3D painting in new industries such as fashion, food, and construction will drive further innovation and growth in the field. Conclusion. 3D painting offers a wide range of application across various industries, realization of traditional manufacture process. The techniques eligible customized rapid prototyping and cost effective production of complex objects. As advantages continue, 3D printing is posed to reshape the future of manufacture and design. Thank you.